This video is brought to you by cdkeyoffice.com, the best and cheapest website for buying digital games, CD keys for Windows and Office products, and gift cards on a discount. Simply make an account using your Facebook or Google account, use the code Foxy for 20% off, and activate your product and enjoy your purchase. Go to the link on top of the description and start shopping on a discount today. So I hear you are tired of hearing Russians in your chat, having toxic teammates or having bad ping in CSGO. Today I have brought you the fix. Hello, my name is Foxy and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to block Russian servers, or basically how to choose specific servers to connect on for your matchmaking. So you basically can block servers out, so you can basically choose what specific servers that you want to play on in CSGO. This will work for you in 2022, and let's not waste any time and let's just jump right into it. So how are you able to block servers in CSGO? All you need to have is this app. It's called the Matchmaking Server Picker. It's made by Banana Gaming, I believe. All you need to do is download it. I will leave the link for it in the description down below. Open it up. It should look something similar to this when you open it up. As you could see, I have blocked out Poland, Russia, EU West, Spain, Dubai, India and Asia. I have blocked every single server, and I've actually chose to play in Vienna, the EU East, the European East server. For me the ping is best in here. That's why I decided to play in these servers. As you can see, 70 ping is the lowest for me. As you can see, if I reset this app, as you can see, when I reset the blockage, I can connect to every single server. It will show me a ping. It will basically show me a number underneath every single server, and that number will be your ping basically. Let's say that you want to play in just one server. All you need to do is press that server, then press apply. Simply like that, you have selected what servers that you want to play on. When you press apply, it will just keep that server and it will block every other server that you have not selected. So basically Russia and Poland and EU East and Spain and Dubai will all be blocked, and you'll only be able to connect to that server right now when you play CSGO. A question that I do receive a lot about this is, does this get you banned? And the simple answer is basically no. This absolutely will not get you banned. Anyways guys, this will wrap it up for today's video on how to actually select what servers you connect on in CSGO. I hope that this video actually helped you out. If it did, then be sure to leave a like rating on today's video so you can help it reach as many people as possible and possibly help them out. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.